When I went to college, I was just looking for another job working with kids, and I came around an apprentice. One of my friends saw the website online, so she told me if I wanted to apply, and I got really excited to start working with kids again. It does bring me joy working as an apprentice and as a group leader now. It does make me really happy in seeing how the kids can grow between time, seeing how they learn new things every single day. And me helping them is just another thing that really makes me happy. I just really enjoyed being an apprentice. I would recommend it to other students. I told my sister about how fun it was, so I told her to apply as an apprentice to see if they would hire her, and they did. She was really excited. OCD did help me with the apprenticeship. They always check in on me, and something that I really appreciated because they always make you feel safe in this environment. I could always tell them what new things I learned. Really helped me grow in college, see what major I actually want to do. I just really enjoyed it. The time here, I would really push them to try to do an apprentice if they really like working with kids and see if it could be something that they could do for the future.